What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be giving you my first take and review of the Gooloo GP4000 Jump Starter Battery Pack. There are so many Jump Starter battery packs out there in the market, and honestly, when you're at the situation where you need to go ahead and jump start your car, you want to make sure that you have the right product at the right time to save you from all the chaos and the mess. Honestly, I've tested so many of these, and I'm telling you right now, this GP4000 device hits all of the things that you need to look for. This can go ahead and jumpstart any single gasoline engine vehicle, no matter what size engine, diesel vehicles up to a 10-liter engine. This has all the power you need. It's super simple and easy. Look how small it is. It's super thin. You can just put it really anywhere in the car. Also comes with fast charging. So this is fast charge capable with USB-C. It also outputs 15 watts on USB-C. It comes with the clamps, which you can go ahead and put in here. This jump cable clamp right here to go ahead and jumpstart the car. That's what I like about this unit. It's small, it's fast, easy to charge, and then it acts as a battery bank, right? I can go ahead and charge any device via USB, USB-C, all done through here. It also has a cigarette car lighter adapter. So you can go ahead, plug in a whole bunch of different appliances or tools to get power out of this. 24,000 milliamps of power in this battery pack, up to 4,000 amps in terms of cranking. So this has a ton of power for all of your needs. I'm gonna show you in this video how I'm gonna go ahead and jumpstart my 2008 Audi R8. This thing always eats up the battery. A lot of different reasons why, my dash cam as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and jumpstart this and show you how easy it is to use. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the hood here. So my battery is in the front of this vehicle. Yours is probably gonna be in the rear, or it might be in the front. So this is what I love, that's super simple and easy. Again, here it is. This is their jump starter kit. So it's got the positive, the negative, and then this little relay kit that goes into the actual battery pack. And all you have to do is open this little piece up here, connect this. You can only connect it one way. And you're gonna wanna make sure, of course, that this is fully charged. They highly recommend you do fully charged to go ahead and get started. So it's already fully charged. And all you're gonna have to do is connect the positive and negative cable leads into the battery and then just jumpstart it. If you see my previous video on the GP2000, the one thing I didn't like is that this cable was very short. So for this GP4000, what they did was they increased the length of this cable, so it's very easy to connect in kind of any situation. So you can see it's connected here, and all I have to do is just clamp the positive first. And they made these clamps a little bit bigger to fit, so my battery's in a little awkward place, and then connect the negative. Once that's done, you're gonna see a green symbol right here on the connect. So once you're all connected, what I like here, again, this has reverse polarity protection. It's got all of this stuff. It's gonna say, look, this is correct. Your green light, you're good to go. And if it does, and if it is reversed, it'll also show here. In addition, you'll notice that there's this boost button. So this is when your car is like totally, completely dead. When it's totally dead, the battery's done, you're gonna click this boost button. But in this case, I don't need it. I can see I'm green. So all I need to do now is go and start my car. All right, let's see if this works. So the fact that obviously the lights are working and unlocked, I know that there's juice flowing, but let's go ahead and get it started. This may be a little loud, you've been warned. I have a custom exhaust on this. So once it's started, all you're gonna do is now remove it from the vehicle. So the car is now running. Very simple how you go ahead and remove the GP4000 from the battery. You're gonna grab, that's it. You're gonna pull this out first. Okay, wiggled out. Red off, black off. You're done. It's that simple. So that's it, guys. That's my first take and review of the GP4000 from Gooloo. I really love this product. Honestly, I think it's a mandatory device for every vehicle that you have in your stable. I love it. It'll get you out of those pickle situations with a dead battery, or if you have devices that needs to be charged or anything like that. Highly recommend it. Simple, easy to use, very small, which is another big thing, and reliable. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, I will link it in the description box down below, of course. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe. I cover everything cars, guys. You can go ahead and check me out here on TikTok and Instagram as well. You can follow me along, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.